Hello, hockey card collectors. This is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca, and we're here for another break today. The playoffs are zooming along, and unfortunately the Leafs are no longer in it, which is quite surprising. They look like a Stanley Cup team to me. So anyways, we'll do our next break here, and I gotta tell you, a friend of mine saw my video saying it's ridiculous with the this year's blasters like this with 5 packs per box. So he gave me another box to open. Yeah, okay, well, I don't recommend people buying these. It's terrible. 5 packs per box. You get a jumbo young gun, which is like a secondary market there. So you're only getting one regular young gun. There's our packs. So let's see who is Joe Veleno is our jumbo young guns. You don't get much for those, unfortunately. I got a Stamkos Young Guns Jumbo, but I don't have a Stamkos regular. So, I think I bumped this here. There we go. We got 5 packs. Again, ridiculous. Makes for a quick break though. And first pack, we have Phillips Forberg, Yandel, Hurdle. We got one of those honor rolls for Patrick Kane with a Dazzler of Artemi Panarin. And we got Perron, Coyle, and Weber. Well, got 2 inserts on the very first pack to start. Myers, Tage Thompson, Panic, and Parise. Son Monahan, Cappy, Kapanen, Dylan Strome, and Cal Peterson. A base pack on that one. That's not good. That makes up for the double insert I got in the first pack. And in this one we got Sagan, Robinson, DeBrincat, Craig Smith, and okay, that just made the whole box worthwhile. A Cole Caulfield Young Guns. Nemestinkov. That guy. Mario Ferraro and William Nylander. Trying to get one of those retro jerseys not too long ago, and they're just disappeared. Can't get them anymore, I don't think. Okay, we got Haig, Lafreniere, second year. Jordan Greenway, Hornquist, Blake Wheeler, Tim Stützle, second year. Oscar Lindbaum, and Michael Woods. How about a Kaprizov, second year? Okay, we got Gerard, Puljujarvi, Palat, Nikas, and Smith, Kreider, Andersley, and the Flower, Mark Anthony Fleury. Well, that's it. So what we got were these 3 cards. But this one makes up for it. A Cole Caulfield, the corners look nice. Panarin, Dazzler, and a Patrick Kane honor roll. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to participate in our contests and giveaways, or you just want to see more videos, subscribe. And if you have something you'd like to add to this video, go ahead, leave a comment. And we still haven't heard if anybody who they think is going to win the cup. I guess everybody's up in the air about that. So our next giveaway here, our first giveaway, $100 worth of cards, 4 big hits, or the rookie class, which has a lot of rookie cards. There's Patrick Kane, Jonathan Tays, Carey Price, among others. So that's when we get to 100 subscribers. At the time of this video, I believe we have 20. So we're getting there. In the meantime, I'll see you on the next break. Thank you for watching. Bye now.